What's going on, guys? Let's put 2 minutes on the clock because I want to do this as fast as possible for you. Cable management. You know it. We hate it. It's not the funnest thing to do in the world, and it's probably the last thing you're thinking about doing when you're making your new desk setup. But what if I told you I have one product for you that'll make your life so much easier? 30 minutes, one product. All you got to do, mount this thing to the bottom of your desk, and you are gold. So we all know about the Velcro tricks, we all know about the self-adhesives on the bottom of the desk, hanging wires, looks terrible. Look what I found. It's called a server rack cable management. This thing is used for computers and server rooms, specifically for routing Ethernet cables into their units. But what I have used this thing for is underneath my standing desk, I have mounted this thing to route all of my wires to my computer that is sitting isolated on an Alex drawer. Why did I do this? I'm not sure, but with the standing desk, I need a little bit of slack from the cables to actually reach the computer that is off to the side, so it doesn't tug on anything and break any of the cords on this brand new computer. With that, I needed a way to route the cables from my monitor to the bottom of the desk into the computer. This was the best way to do it. With this raceway, all you had to do is get double-sided sticky tape. It comes with screws, but use the double-sided sticky tape so you're not doing any permanent damage to your desk. You're going to take that tape, mount this raceway to the bottom of your desk, and literally stuff this thing full of wires. What you're going to want to notice is you're using the 2x2 or 3x3 if you have it in that option, because you need that extra room for these thicker power cords that you're going to stuff in there. Not only is it going to be power cords, it's going to be Ethernet cables and DVI cables. These things are thick. What you could also do with that 3x3 option is stick the power banks themselves into this thing to make an even cleaner transition from the bottom of your desk to the back of your computer. And once you get this thing mounted, once you get all of those cables stuffed within there, you are pretty much done, and this is what the bottom of your desk is going to look like. And ladies and gentlemen, this is as good as it gets. There is barely a wire hanging in sight. You can barely even see it. With the nature of a standing desk, of course, you're going to have that one wire that just kind of dangles and connects to the outlet, because obviously you need to be able to power the desk, power the computer, power the power bank that's actually getting all of the power into everything else. But other than that, with just one cable dangling, I think we've done a really good job. So I know this was a quick little video, but I truly do hope this solves all of your problems. I know it has for me, and I wanted to show you guys my one-all solution for cable management on a standing desk. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like the video, subscribe for more, because we're going to do a lot more of these super quick tutorials here in the next couple of months. So I do hope you guys stick around for that. And remember, it's not about the gear, it's about how you use it. Thanks for watching.